All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're going to be talking about Shiba Inu. Will it get listed on Amazon? Is Amazon bringing cryptocurrency in? There's 4 of them. We're going to talk about the 4 Shibas, one of them. Is Amazon going to come up with their own cryptocurrency? Is Amazon going to sell cryptocurrency? All kinds of good stuff going on in this episode today. Also, if you want to mine with your car computer while you're Tesla, mining with your car, we're going to go over that, how somebody's making $800, up to $800 a month mining cryptocurrency with their car. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help every single person learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. Today's Sunday. Tom Brady's on the tube talking about what he's getting into. You know what it is, cryptocurrency. He may even be talking about doing a trade. The trade is cryptocurrency. So all kinds of stuff going on with cryptocurrency on a Sunday. Let's head over to Shiba Inu, talking about Amazon. What's going on? Is it going to get listed? All right, over here, CoinMarketCap. Shiba Inu is the 13th cryptocurrency on the list. Dogecoin's right above it. Matic's right below it. All right, this coin is down about 15% in the last 7 days. It has bounced back about 4.5% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. All right, again, in the last 24 hours, we're up about 4%. There's 4 zeros and a 28.77. What's been going on in the last 7 days? Again, the Fed's made their comment about how they're going to raise interest rates 3 times in 2022, and pretty much all the cryptocurrencies are down right now. That's where the discount buys come in real good, but this coin is bouncing back. What's going on with Amazon? It says, will Jeff B get Shiba Inu to 10 cents? Shiba Inu, which is also known as the Dogecoin killer, might be looking forward to the partnership with Amazon. Will it happen? Now, we always talk about AMP token with Amazon. Let's see what this has to say. Shiba Inu token, a new Dogecoin-inspired cryptocurrency that was founded last August, is now planning to partner with Amazon, the world's largest e-commerce website, which is known by Jeff B. and dubbed the drop shopping capital of the world. Shiba Inu and its investors will greatly benefit from this. Shiba Inu's visibility will increase as a result of the announcement, and the prospective buyers will have much more purchasing option. The Bitcoin market is vast. The investors have spotted this ever-expanding possibility as a way to turn Shiba Inu into billionaires overnight. Many apps with virtual currencies have emerged in the recent years as a result in the surge of the number of investors. The Shiba Swap platform, for example, is a rapidly growing cryptocurrency exchange service that has recently attracted a lot of interest from traders and investors. So right here, it arose from a job advertisement from the company. A digital emerging payments division was discovered. According to the advertisement, the company is working on allowing clients to change their cash into digital currency. So right there, we got the first possibility. Second thing, right here, Amazon to consider AMP token as a crypto as a legal payment in the website in 2022. Well, I'm going to kind of skip over this because right here, there's 4 things. It says, they're looking into 4 different cryptocurrencies, AMP token being one of them, but right here, Shiba Inu, Matic, and Hulk also being them. So this is an AMP article talking about, is AMP going to get on Amazon? There's the AMP logo. But it talks about how there could be 4 of them. Shiba right here. Now it says, however, the 4 options the team is expanding into potential collaboration, the insider claimed that only 2 would be finalized as legal payment on the website. Check out the page. Would AMP make the final 2, and would Shiba make the final 2? I don't know. So right there's a couple different articles of Shiba Inu possibly being listed by Amazon. Is it going to happen? Is AMP token? Is Matic? Is Hulk? Oh boy. How about this? How would you like to mine cryptocurrency while you're driving your car? Well, it's possibly happening. It is. This person has been making up to about $800 a month. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, mine some cryptocurrency, and let's have a good time and check out how you can drive your car and mine. This Tesla owner says he mines up to $800 a month in the cryptocurrency with his car. Well, Tesla's owner speaks to CNBC about how they use the internet computer and battery power of the car to mine cryptocurrency. So this gentleman is doing it. He's got his computer and he's mining it. He's tried every way to mine the cryptocurrency from his 2018 Tesla Model 3. He runs a free Bitcoin mining software on his Apple Mac Mini M1 and powers the computer by plugging in an inverter into the 12-volt power socket located in the center of his console of his car. He also hooks up the interconnected graphic processing unit, or a GPU, to the frunk of his Tesla. Frunk could be his trunk, running these machines off the car internal battery. The risk is voiding the car warranty, he says, but it's worth it. After Ethereum peaked in 2021, he claims he was netting roughly around $800 a month mining Ethereum. Mining from his Tesla is just like connecting to any other power source, the main component of the price of the electricity. If it's cheaper to do it through an electric car, through an electric vehicle, so be it. Right here, how to mine crypto from your Tesla. He says, I like electricity, I like zapping stuff, building stuff. You give me an electric motor and I'll give you a finished product. He also tried mining a Bitcoin by plugging in a Bitmain Antminer S9, a type of mining rig designed to mint the world's most popular cryptocurrency directly into his car battery. With the help of the power inverter, the inverter adjusted the voltage of the Tesla battery to a level of compatible with his Antminer. Oh boy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this. And there he is installing his cryptocurrency miner in his car, making his adjustments. It's profitable, but it's worth the hassle. There he is again. All right, so this gentleman's making up to $800 mining cryptocurrency with this car. How about that? Have you got on that bandwagon? Have you started mining the cryptocurrency with your car? I mean, if your car payment's not $800, I mean, it would almost pay for itself. I mean, you got to figure out the electricity, of course, like he said. But if mining with the electric car is less expensive, hey, so be it. All right, so again, our goal on the channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. That gentleman's mining cryptocurrency with his car. Is Shiba, is AMP, is Matic, is Hulk going to get listed on Amazon this year, 2022, the first quarter? All right, back over here at Shiba Inu coin market cap. What is our price prediction? Well, our price prediction on this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and a 2874. I'm thinking that this coin's going to go back to 4 zeros and a 4000. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. This coin is down literally right now, about 15% in the last 7 days. Let's check out the holders real quick just to see where Shiba's army's at. Holders, clicking 3 months. 3 months ago, we had about 720,000 holders of the Shiba. Right now, there's 1.1 million of people holding Shiba. That's about 400,000. That's over a 50% increase of holders of the Shiba Inu in the last 90 days. All right, talking about discount buys right here. Polygon's up 9% in the last 24 hours. Shiba's up 6% now in the last 24 hours. Avalanche is up 12% in the last 24 hours, down 20, bouncing back hard. All right, Luna's back up 14%. Solana's down 18, but up 6 today. Binance Coin is down 16%. Ethereum's down 16, but it bounced back 3% today, 31.73. And Bitcoin is still at 42,000, down 10% in the last 7 days. All right, give us your thoughts. Amazon listing, one of these 4 tokens. If Shiba gets listed, is this going to make this coin just jump off the charts when it comes to the price? I think it will. Well, don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Again, today's Sunday. Have a fantastic day today. We'll see you a little bit later on.